global meeting and want to show captions translated in another language? Let Gemini help. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to translate captions in Meet. Let's get started. In your meeting, click More Options, Settings, Captions. Select the language of the meeting and turn on Translated Captions. Then, select the language that you prefer to translate the captions into. So there you have it. Translate captions in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.